made it to Costa Rica. 6-hour flight to Panama, 1-hour flight from Panama to San Jose, Costa Rica. We are here, 3-hour drive from San Jose, the Arenal Volcano region, and we just got to our Eco Lodge, beautiful Essence Arenal, amazing view of Lake Arenal, the Arenal Volcano in the background. We're tired, got very little sleep on the plane, but we're gonna head back to La Fortuna to check out the rope swing and the hot springs. Trying to cram it all in because we're only in this region for 3 days. So we're trying to pack it all in even though we're exhausted. Go to bed early, wake up early, do it again tomorrow. That's it for the first day in Costa Rica. After 3 hours of driving and 7 hours of flying, the rope swing at La Fortuna and then this hot springs are exactly what I needed to just melt my cares away and help me drift off, have a great night of sleep. Plenty more coming from Costa Rica. Stay tuned, get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous.
Infamous.